Hey guys, I'm Jamie and this is Pelican Unlocked, where we take a deep dive into all things Pelican. Today we're here talking about Pelican Prepare, and I'm joined with 34-year fire service veteran and battalion chief, Jake Heflin. So let's dive into what Pelican Prepare is. It's split into two different products. We have our survival kits that are 72-hour emergency kits in 1, 2, and 4-person variants. We also have the documents and valuables kit, which is incredibly important for storing and protecting your important documents. You know, it could be birth certificates,
Absolutely.
Deeds to the home, USBs with important information. So let's take a quick look inside to see how we organize that. So on the inside of the valuable box, you've got a couple of things. You've got a lid organizer for small equipment. You've got the document organization, and within that, it comes with 2 fire pouches. So you can store the very, very sensitive or important documents can go inside the fire pouches for that extra layer of security and safety. Now, as we get from the documents and valuable kit into the survival kit. Survival 2 and 4-person kits are in Pelican Protector cases. The 2-person's in a 1560, the 4-person in a 1650 protector. So waterproof, dustproof, crushproof. And both of them have an extendable trolley handle with wheels to allow for easy mobility. Better to hear it from the expert. So Jake, explain what's on the inside of our 72-hour kits and kind of walk us through what's important.
Yeah, and as you can see, there's a lot of different variations to this as it relates to what you might need to put into this kit specifically for your own personal use. So in essence, what you're seeing is you're seeing 2 bags that are exactly the same as it relates to what we're pulling out of the kit, and that's going to be, in this case, food and water. What we have here is we have not only a filtration stick that you can actually filter water, but we also have prepackaged water in pouches, and we also have highly nutritious food bars that are part of that critical component of making sure that you're fed. As we move into this, we actually have the shelter and hygiene kit, and we have a tube tent, something that you can make a emergency shelter in an environment where you need to make sure you're protected from the elements. We have a Mylar blanket to keep you warm. Obviously, we have the poncho, the N95 masks, and then we've got those core essential items, whether it's a toothbrush, place for your bar soap, even a place for your shampoo or your mouthwash. That's part of our hygiene kit that we have in here, not only for the shelter, but also for your personal hygiene. Not only do we have an emergency radio, but we also have a solar charger that's coincides with that radio. We also have the whistle here, and we also have the signal mirror, and also signage that says I'm okay or that I need help. And we've got some duct tape, some goggles, our personal protective equipment, our gloves, and obviously some paracord. It's got everything in it that we possibly need. Again, if we have specific needs, then we can also add that into our other bag. This is our personal item bag that coincides inside this, that allows you to put those elements that are specifically and uniquely inherent to you and your family.
As we round it out, I think there's just 2 more items in the kit. We've got our Pelican 2740 headlamp, high quality headlamp, and I know a lot of our first responders rely on their Pelican headlamps, so that's part of the kit. And then we've got the first aid kit.
There's great resources here. And more importantly, we want to make sure that you and your family are ready and protected.
If you're looking to protect yourself, protect your family, then look no further than Pelican Prepare.